It was a grey afternoon, and the sky hung low with heavy clouds. A gentle drizzle began, soon turning into steady rain. Children squealed and ran barefoot into the street, their laughter blending with the sound of falling water. But on his porch, an old wise teacher stood quietly, watching with eyes that seemed to measure more than just the weather. He raised his voice so it could carry over the rainfall and call out to the people of his neighborhood. Go inside your homes, pick any container you think is right, and come out here to collect rainwater. The people obeyed. Curious, they disappeared into their homes and returned moments later, some with tiny spoons, some with cups, others with bowls, and a few with large tubs. The teacher gave the next instruction. Hold your container out until it is full. Once it's filled, go inside. And so, the task began. The man with the spoon finished first. His job was done in seconds. Then came those with cups. After them, the ones with bowls. Those with the largest buckets and tubs stood the longest, their arms aching under the growing weight. Finally, when the last tub was filled, the teacher gathered everyone in his courtyard. He looked at them and said, "The rain was the same for everyone. It did not choose the spoon or the tub. It fell equally. The difference was in what you brought to collect it. The bigger the vessel, the more you could take, but the longer and heavier the work." In life, success is the same. If you aim for greater things, it will take more time, more patience, and more endurance. The crowd nodded in understanding. But the teacher's eyes rested on a man still hunched beside his heavy tub. He spoke again. "And one more thing. If your need was small, perhaps just a bowl's worth, yet you choose a tub, only out of greed, you have wasted precious time standing in the rain instead of enjoying life once your real needs were met. Work hard for what is truly worthwhile, but don't let endless wanting keep you standing in the rain forever." The rain kept falling, soft and steady, but now the people saw it differently.